bad little thing, true religion ginger.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on my eyebrows and how I conceal my eyebrows when they're super hairy like this. Like I have a unibrow right in here and this excess hair right here. So I'm gonna fill them in and conceal them and show you how I do mine. And on one eyebrow I'll be using the Anastasia dip brow, and on the other brow I'll be using a regular pencil from the beauty supply store, because I know some people like to use pencils, some people like the dip brow. So I'm gonna just do both, and I'm gonna conceal with only one concealer though, but I'll talk about that when I get there. So my eyebrows are really hairy right now. I haven't gotten them threaded or waxed in like some months. So yeah, but usually I'll do my own eyebrows if I'm at school, but if I'm back at home I'll go somewhere. So I'm gonna just brush them with like a spoolie. That one hurts, but the one from the NYX pencil is really good. So I'm gonna just brush them how I want them. And I'm gonna go in with the pencil first. And I always start at the bottom of mine, but on the side, like this, not like this. I start like this, the bottom. And then right in the middle top, go like this. Like that. And fill that part in. And if you're doing your eyebrows and you mess up, or you go too far down, or the line at the top is not right, it's okay, because 9 times out of 10 when I do my eyebrows, they look a mess until I conceal them, and then they look better. So I'm gonna just use the side and like brush it. And use a little spoolie. See, like right in here, that don't matter yet. Like that, I get fixed. That. You don't want it to be so harsh at the front. Now I'm gonna do the other side with the Anastasia dip brow. And I'm just using a regular slanted brush for this. And I'm starting at the bottom again. And you have to be really light with this dip powder pomade. And this is in the color chocolate. Yeah. So I'm starting at the bottom. And I brush up. Do the top. If you don't know how to do your makeup, you at least need to know how to do your eyebrows. They still looking crazy, but that's okay because we gonna fix it. Ooh. See, it's still like extra dip powder right there. That's okay, because when I conceal it, you won't be able to see it. I'm just brushing them out to blend it. Okay, so for concealer, I'm going in with LA Pro Girl concealer in medium beige, and I usually just put it on my hand like this. And then I'm taking a flathead brush. This is from Morphe. It's an M410 brush. This is my favorite brush to conceal my brows with because it's just so precise and like super straight. But I cut this part because I washed it too hard. So that's that. Let me go in and brush again. Okay. So pick up some, and I figured out like if you go in with just a little bit at a time, it'll look weird, like streaky looking. So I just go in with a good amount, and then this is the important part. This is how you shape your eyebrow and conceal all the extra hairs. I may need a mirror. And just take your time with this part. You don't really have to take your time with actually filling them in, but like carving it out, you need to take your time. And I just bring it all the way down to my eyelid. I'm gonna put a little bit more so it won't look streaky. I want it to look natural. I want the perfect line. So I'm gonna go in one more time. I'm gonna bring it up a little. Like this. And then I'm gonna go in. I usually go in with a sponge. So I'm going in with this damp Real Technique sponge and blend it out. And make sure I get right in here because that's where I had all that hair at right there. So conceal it carefully so you won't see it. And I know a lot of people don't conceal their tops anymore, but I conceal mine because I like it and my eyebrows are sort of bushy up there. So that's what I'm about to do now. I'm just getting some more concealer to put on the top. And usually for the top, I don't go straight to the little line. I come up a little and wiggle it down like this and just wiggle it down to where I want it. And just carefully carve it out. I think I'm gonna do a round one. So, and you can always pick the brush up if you mess up or feel like you're about to mess up. So I'm gonna go back over it again so it won't be so harsh. The goal is for it to look natural, but we still want it to be like real fleeky looking. So I'm gonna bring it down a little, flip the brush over. And just blend that with the brush. Like that. Something is itching my back so bad. So I'm going back with that sponge and just blend that out. And make sure I get the middle where all the hair is. See, this one has like pomade up there and sort of weird looking right in there. That's okay. You just need to make sure you conceal it good so you won't see that. And you see how I got like the middle, and I do blend it a little close to the beginning of the eyebrow so you won't see all of that. See how bushy and stuff it is, my unibrow? So the magic of concealer. So now I'm gonna do the other brow. Y'all, something is real deal itching me. What the heck? Okay, so let's do the other eyebrow. Going back in with the same concealer and brush. Oh no, concealer on my mirror. So for this one, I'm starting at the bottom as well. And you see I have hair right there. You don't see it now. So Just trying to make sure I cover that extra hair. I did not mean to do that, but it's okay. So once I carve that out, I'm going back in with my sponge and blend it. I took some of the tail off. Okay, now I'm going to do the top. So just like I said earlier for the other one, I'm just gonna start a little higher and wiggle my way down to where I want it. This eyebrow is usually always a little bit bigger than the other one, but everybody has a bigger eyebrow, so. But I'm gonna go in again and just bring it down just a little bit more. I'm just going to blend it in the middle so you won't see the hair. And I just messed that line up. Just blend it out. And this is how I do my eyebrows and conceal them when they're bushy and I don't feel like going to the eyebrow place and letting them thread and wax them. I just cover them up myself so you don't see it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped. You can watch this again and you can do it with me at the same time if that'll help you even more. But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.